Paul here. I just want to talk a bit about this. This is a bus. It's a 40-seater Volvo Plaxton, and I've taken all the seats out. I've taken a lot of stuff out. I've pretty much gutted it. The overhead baggage places, they took up a lot of space here. You couldn't stand in there. So mainly them and the seats are the hardest part of the bus. But I'll just take the camera there and I'll give you a small look around. So this is a partition I've put in. All kind of recycled materials, and then this is a propagation room, I guess, or a display room, whatever. I'm not really sure. So I keep a lot of plants in here. I'm moving them down to the greenhouse at the moment because we're kind of starting. We're heading for winter now. But succulents like this bus. There's the Chiflera. But this is the back of the bus. I kind of put timber sheets, and then put lino on top. I'm still very much in the beginning of this project. It's a long-term project. There's some quantum LEDs. You can kind of DIY them, cheap enough. They're pretty cool. The plastic is just kind of bought. You can buy the plastic in sheets and cut it. Look, the hinges there actually on the lights are they're just hinges. They're really cool lights. There's the seats outside. If you need any seats, call me. Bit of bonsai going on there. Kind of windy here today. That's the Skelligs out there, where they filmed parts of Star Wars. There's the greenhouse. So there's a partition there, and that just kind of closed off this section and made it one. So you're not just kind of trying to do a huge space. That's the way I kind of see it. Some water tanks out there. So once you get the overhead luggage compartments out and you get the seats out, then you're left with a lot of space. Walk up the front. I nearly tipped the camera there. So this is the front. I've hooked the horn up to a switch to just surprise people. The bus is still running. I'm not sure how roadworthy she would be. She has a lot of rust underneath, but she's still running fine. So I started building a shed up here, and the shed kind of got knocked down, so I ended up getting a bus. It's like a workshop. It's all sorts of things. It's like a 40-foot container on wheels, and you can move it. It's really cool, and it was really pretty cheap for what it is. So it's everything. So that's just a quick walk around the bus, and I'm going to do a few videos about all the projects that I'm doing on the bus, like putting in lights, partitions, just all the kinds of work I'm going to be doing on the bus. So please like, share and subscribe. If you want to, if there's something specific that you want to know about the bus, just comment and I'll tell you. It's a really cool thing that you can get cheap and do a lot with. So, bye.